back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a kind of a haul slash review on some lipsticks that I bought. I went to TJ Maxx and I don't normally shop there all that often, but they really did have a lot of good stuff cheap. So I want to do my lipsticks today, and I need to go wet my makeup eraser. I forgot to do that. So I'll be right back. So these are what I got. And yeah, so lipsticks. They had some palettes there, but unfortunately some of the colors were broken in them, and I wasn't gonna buy a palette with broken colors. So lipsticks I got, and a couple like shampoo, stuff like that. Stuff that's not interesting. So the first one I'm going to try is called Sadie, and it's by Stella. And I do have one just like this that's like a dark red that I love. So I know I'll probably really like this one. This is pretty. For summer. I do like it a lot. And I'm just going to take that off. My lips are probably going to be toast, or at least, if nothing else, very exfoliated by the time I'm done with this. Okay. And then I don't know if you guys have been paying attention to what's going on in the whole YouTube world, but I'm going to throw my 2 cents in on this whole Jaclyn Hill Morphe thing. Because I have to say, like, I really, really feel like it's just so blown out of proportion, and I feel bad. I really do. So, for those of you who aren't familiar, Jaclyn Hill, I talked about it before, she collaborated with Morphe again to use the colors that were not used on her original palette. This one is Lorac, and it has a lipstick and a gloss that you use together, and it's in the color Bar Bossy. Okay, so she was gonna launch these colors in this thing called the Vault, and basically there were 4 different palettes of different color schemes, and they were gonna you could buy them separately for $15 a piece, or you could buy them as a package for $49 a piece. So Morphe started sending these things out to PR, and a lot of YouTubers got their hands on it, and it got really, a lot of them gave it like really bad reviews. And you can see in the videos, some of the bad reviews were Angela Bright was one of them. She had a really hard time with one of the purples, and Jackie Aina, or Jackie O, they call her, had a really difficult time with this green color, and they weren't, mad or saying anything bad about Jaclyn Hill or anything like that. It's just that clearly, like, the colors were not performing. You could see that they were just blotchy and not right. So, but there were also good reviews. Nikia Joy did one that had a really okay time with it, and Kathleen Lights also had a review that was really, really good. But then all of a sudden, like, all of these, I like this color too. I like it plain, and I like it with the gloss. And then all these reviews started coming out by, like, those tea people that, like, rip the YouTube people apart. And another one who I won't even name because I can't stand her. I'm not gonna go there. But anyway, they were just coming out talking all this shit about it, and people were upset because it was another Morphe collab and not like Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, which she was supposed to be releasing. So Morphe is not. It was supposed to release today or tomorrow. It was supposed to release tomorrow, and they're not going to do it. They are completely pulling the palettes back, and they're going to go back into the lab, and they're going to fix them, which is what they should do, right? Like, that's what should be done. Isn't that, am I not understanding? Is there something that I don't know, I just feel, and now that's a big deal. now they're like, oh, Jaclyn Hill is going to break Morphe. She's costing them millions. This is Lorac, and the name of this color is Nudist, and it's a nude color. Imagine that. Oh, this feels really good. I like this color a lot. I like this color a lot too. Anyways, so, and if you look at her launch video, even Jaclyn said that some of the shadows were difficult. And she admitted it herself. So, I don't know. It's not like she, and it was like, I have the whole price point written down here, like the cost. Okay, so the regular Jaclyn Hill palette that came out with Morphe was $38 for 35 shades. That breaks it down to $1.09 a shadow. That wasn't bad. The Vault collection was 10 colors per palette, and you get 4 palettes if you buy the Vault together. And it was $49 for the whole collection. If you bought one palette, it was $15 for 10 shades. So that's $1.50 a shade. If you buy it as a collection, it comes out to roughly like 83 cents a shade or 82 cents a shade. So it's really not a bad deal. And they're not saying that they're not going to release it. They're just going to take it back and fix it. So I guess, I don't know. If you guys know anything else about it, leave me a comment about it and let me know, because I feel like I got something wrong. Like, I don't understand what the big deal is. Because remember, like, Huda Beauty came out with like that, I don't know, what was it there? Oh, this is pretty, but this needs to go over something. This is way too light. I look dead. Like if I look dead. But over like a darker color, that would be really pretty. What was I saying? Oh, the Huda Beauty thing. So all the beauty gurus that got, or the people that like bought the palette pre-launch, she had like a thing in Vegas where she, where people could go and could buy the palette early. All those people are gonna get new palettes. They just said, contact Morphe when the new one's released and we'll send you a new palette. They don't have to pay for it again. So Huda Beauty came out with that rose gold palette or whatever it was. I don't even know, I don't have it. That was way more expensive, and it was the first palette they released was a shit show. It was horrible. I don't know if you guys ever saw any videos on it, but like they did not perform at all. Like the shades were horrible. They were so patchy and, you know, just like rough. Everybody complained about it. This is really pretty. This is Pure Gloss by Jane Iredale. Jane Iredale. I don't know. I've never heard of her before. It's in the shade Cotton Candy. Really pretty. And the other one, the one that made me look dead, was the Foodie that was another Lorac one. And I have one more to try on. So my lips are like, please stop. Please stop doing this to us. Why are you doing this to us? They're like squeaking. What are you doing? Okay. One more. And this is Bite. This is like one of my favorite lipstick companies. And this is a really pretty, really pretty color. This is a high pigment lip pencil in the color Chabliss. So yeah, so if you guys know, let me know what you think about this whole thing, because I feel like they're doing everything right and she's just getting a bunch of shit for it. People are shitting all over her about it, and I don't think it's fair. I think she's trying to do the right thing, and on top of it all, she's like going through a divorce right now, and I don't know. I just don't understand what being mean is going to accomplish. This one's really pretty. I really like this color. This might be my favorite one. And in true Bite fashion, it's super, super creamy and hydrating. I'm going to leave this one on for a little while so that my lips will heal. And that's it. That was the end of my haul. So my first one was the Stila Color Bomb lipstick in the color Sadie. The second one was the Lorac. This is my second Lorac one that I have. I love these. The other one I have upstairs is Trident, and it's like an orangey. It's really pretty. This is Barbassi. The third one I tried on was the Lorac Alter Ego lipstick in the color Nudist. And the fourth one was the Lorac Alter Ego lipstick in the color Foodie, and then we had this little Janet Airedale Pure Gloss for lips in the color Cotton Candy, and then Bite. And I paid like $5 or $6 for all of them. This one was $3.99. This one was $6. Yeah, so I had a really good deal on those. So that was it. I just wanted to jump on real quick and do these colors and talk a little bit about the whole Jaclyn Hill palette. Are you guys gonna buy it? I'm gonna buy it when it comes out. Definitely. No doubt about it. Are you guys gonna buy it when it comes out? Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. And I will see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up if you like this video. And you can follow me on all my other social media. I have the Facebook and Instagram, and I'll put my handles up here somewhere. And that is it. That's all I want to talk about today. So I'll see you soon. Bye guys. Love you.